There are two ways to add a video to a simple site. Both methods involve only a few steps and no knowledge of coding is required. The first method is to embed it onto a web page which may have other contents such as text, as in the example here. The second method is to add it through the Add Item menu and then select Google Video. This method will be covered in another video. To embed a video, you need two things. First, access to edit your simple site. Second, the code copied from your chosen video. Later in the video, I'll show you where to get the code. Let's start with the simple site. I'm going to use a simple site that has been modified in appearance by a style sheet. The layout and functions are essentially the same as the default version. The first thing you need to do is to log in to edit the website. To save time, I've skipped the login steps. If you need help, please refer to the video that talks about how to log in and log out. You're now looking at the edit mode of a simple site. You can tell when you see a green box with options to add contents and edit the website. Next, either go to the web page where you want to embed a video or create a new one. For this demonstration, I've created a web page in the folder for About Us with a title called Our Mission. As a matter of fact, your video can be embedded onto any web page in a folder at any level. Select the Edit tab, then scroll down to select a location on your web page where you want to insert the video. In this case, I'm going to insert it right above the last paragraph and centered. Then I will mark it with something such as the text "Add here." So this is the location where the video will be placed. Now let's go to get the code from the video. In this demonstration, I'm going to use a DCN video that has been uploaded to YouTube as an example. Let's scroll down a little bit. All video, whether it's your own or not, as long as the original author allows embedding, you should be able to find the Share button. Click on it, then click on the Embed button. The code will appear in the box here. Then all you have to do is copy it and paste it onto your web page. Before we do so, let's look at the options. The code will automatically change based on your selection. You can opt to start the video at a specific point by checking the box here and gliding the playhead like this. If I leave the box unchecked, it will start from the beginning. You can also opt to use the long URL with the familiar www.youtube.com instead. When you're done selecting, click on the Embed button again to reveal the code. Let's scroll down further to look at more options. If you want to show suggested videos when the video finishes, check the box here. Select the size. Keep it as small as possible. Now we're ready to copy the code. Make sure it's highlighted. If not, just click once anywhere inside the box to highlight it. If you're using a PC, use the combined keys of Ctrl and C to copy it. Now let's go back to the simple site. From the green bar, click on the HTML icon. Make sure you're clicking on the icon and not the HTML in the text format box. Look for the text for Add Here. To help you locate it, use the combined keys of Ctrl and F if you're using the PC to activate the find function of your browser. Type in Add Here and it will help you find the text. Highlight it and then use the combined keys of Ctrl and V to replace it with the code. From the green bar, click on the HTML link to exit the HTML view. There you may at first only see a black rectangle. Don't worry, it sometimes takes a bit longer to load the video. It will be fine once you've saved the web page. If you change your mind and want to remove the video, you can move the cursor just before the video and hit the delete key. Because I do want the video, I'll undo the delete by using the combined keys of Ctrl and Z. Now I'm ready to save it. That's it. That's how to embed a video onto your web page. To check what it looks like to the public, you can log out now, but oftentimes I find it more convenient to use a different browser where I'm not logged in to check the changes. This is the browser where I'm not logged in. If you don't see the changes yet, use the combined keys of Ctrl and F5 to refresh your browser if you're using a PC. There's the video. Start playing by clicking on the arrow. For now, I'll turn off the volume. For those who want to view it with a larger screen, they have the option to watch directly on YouTube or full screen. This tutorial has been brought to you by DCN, the Davis Community Network.